Hi everyone. I'm going to start this video off with giving a YouTube channel a shout out. I'm going to speak about don't fall for the fear. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity gaining wealth because of this new asset class. I listen to a lot of channels. And lately I've been really listening to like 4 to 5 hours of investment videos, crypto videos, and the like. Bullzilla 123. Bullzilla. Bullzilla 123. He repeats in many of his videos. He goes live twice a day. He's been doing it for years. He has a very successful business online. He generates a lot of income online because of all the research and all the knowledge he has gained, and he built up an amazing subscriber base. He goes live. He has a few thousand people watching him. He most of the time he'll say, it's a new dawn, it's a new era. Let's welcome the new frontier. The greatest wealth is created by being an early investor in innovation. He says that all the time. And he's right. This is a chance of a lifetime. We are witnessing, it's unfolding right in front of our eyes. The new asset class of money. And it's going to be global. And I'm here to tell you, don't fall for the fear. I opened up I use Fidelity and I invest in the New York stock market. My portfolio is very small. I think I have 7 different companies, and it was lower than I've ever seen. They're more low than what I paid for 6 months ago. I'm not falling for it, and you're not weeding me out, and I'm not touching those stocks, those shares in those stocks, in those companies, because I invest in blockchain, I invest in fintech companies, financial technology. I invest in companies that have created cryptocurrencies, and I'm not touching them. I also invested in an EV company. My cost basis is 2 cents. I believe in that company. I'm an early investor, like he always preaches. The greatest wealth is created by being an early investor in innovation. He is 100% right. 100%. Welcome to the brand new asset class. There's no denying it. We're watching it. It's unfolding. It's happening right now. Don't miss out on this opportunity. And don't get scared away, because you can become the future millionaires, and you're not going to have to wait 5, 10, or 15 years. This is going to happen. This is happening now, and it's going to roll into 2022, and by 2023, it's going to be explosive. The early investors that invest in crypto, and the companies that are fintech companies and blockchain companies, brand new early investors, EV, they're going to reap the rewards and not have to wait 5, 10, 15 years to gain, huge rewards. A return on investment. Digital assets is where it's at. You're damn right it is. He's 100%. Now, I know I invest in the New York Stock Exchange, in the stock market, but I also believe I invest in crypto and in that, because there are new companies coming around. Without blockchain, there's no crypto. So I invested in a handful of blockchain companies that I paid pennies for the shares and the stocks. And I'm not getting rid of them. I will not get scared out. If I sold now, I'd be taking a loss. So why wouldn't I leave it? I'm not going there. That ain't happening. My cost per basis is so low, I wouldn't be taking a loss, but I could gain so much more if I just hold on to it and hodl for like 1, 2, 3 years. It's going to be life-changing to someone like me, and you can join in that too. You can visit MyIncomeJob.com and check out something in investor stock market and crypto investing. I'm going to continue to write about it, continue to share my knowledge. We are early investors. He always says that. Of course we are. I'm an early investor in the blockchain and fintech companies and the EV, and I'm an early investor in crypto. And I'm not even, this man's been doing it for at least 4 years. I started joining in on crypto in the beginning of 2020 or the tail end of 2019. It was a good entry point because I still got in very low. Don't get feared out. Don't let anybody scare you. Don't worry about it. If you invested, I suggest, I'm sharing with you what I'm doing. I'm leaving it. I'm not touching it. Nobody's scaring me out. I know what it is to live without. I know what it is to sacrifice, and I know what it is to have my last couple of dimes in my savings account. I'm a creator. I'm an entrepreneur. I saw myself becoming a multimillionaire. I always thought it would happen in my 60s. I say in the next couple of years. I say in my 60s, I'll be a billionaire if I continue doing what I'm doing. And I know what it is not to have. So I'm going to be blissfully happy. I mean, the little things make me happy now. Could you imagine if I woke up and realized I was worth $4 million? I'd be really happy. I'd be shopping. I want to buy a house, not have a mortgage, have beautiful landscaping, be cozy and safe. To me, that's success. To have all those beautiful things and not have bills into the second half of my life. To me, that's success. Everybody has a different definition of success. But the point of this video is don't get scared out. Don't let anybody scare you. I mean, because the unemployment, I was told that I'm going to receive 20% less from now on because they made a mistake paying me too much. The PPP, Paycheck Protection Program, I went to go sign into the portal and all my information was missing. And I had to call up the bank who loaned me the PPP, and they're working on it. They're screwing a lot of people. They're making it harder and harder and harder to get ahead, to take an opportunity, to grasp the opportunity at hand, the financial help that you have rightfully coming to you if you take the time to fill out the paperwork and understand and do the work. You deserve it. The New York Stock Exchange was the lowest I've seen it with the stocks I bought since day one. I'm just like, oh my God, how much can you buy? I did buy a little more during the week. I said, I got to stop. I'm just going to let everything stew. I'm going to hodl. I'm going to let everything grow. It's growing. It's growing behind the scenes. It's growing underneath. I'm not going to get scared out. Nobody's going to take this away from me. I will become a part of the 1%, the wealthy. And crypto down. It took a dive and now it leveled out a little bit. Oh, it's so upsetting. I'm not going anywhere. I wanted to give this update. I'm doing a lot of work. I am going to do a few deliveries today. I wasn't going to, but I'm in the mood. And I've been working with someone, and in the future, I'll be sharing that information with you. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. And until the next video clip, have a good one, everyone. Bye.